As the countdown begins for Nikon's next major announcement in the mirrorless camera world, excitement about the Nikon Z90 is reaching a fever pitch. For Nikon enthusiasts, especially those who are still attached to their trusted DSLRs, this could be the game changer they've been waiting for. Is the Z90 the camera that will bridge the gap between traditional and modern photography? As rumors swirl about it being Nikon's flagship APS-C Z-mount mirrorless camera, excitement and speculation are at an all-time high. In this video, we'll explore what we can expect from this much-anticipated release and what it might mean for both loyal DSLR users and those ready to make the switch to mirrorless. The Nikon Z90 is shaping up to be a true game-changer in the world of mirrorless cameras. At its core, this new model is rumored to feature a 33-megapixel sensor, which promises to deliver exceptional image quality and stunning detail. This places it squarely in competition with Canon's EOS R7, setting the stage for a high-stakes rivalry in the high-end crop sensor market. One of the standout features of the Z90 is its video capabilities. With 4K recording at 60 frames per second and the potential for high frame rate full HD capture, Nikon seems to be targeting the growing market of hybrid shooters who want top-notch video performance along with their stills. The addition of in-body image stabilization further supports this, ensuring steady footage and sharp images even in challenging conditions. For those who thrive on speed and action, the Nikon Z90 may be a perfect match. Rumors suggest it will boast an impressive 20 frames per second burst rate for RAW files, with a buffer capable of handling up to 1,000 frames. Combined with an advanced autofocus system that can track people, animals, and vehicles, the Z90 aims to make missed shots a thing of the past. Now, let's dive into what we've been hearing about the Nikon Z90 specs, as rumored by Digital Camera World. First up, it looks like the Z90 will feature a 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen. This should give you some flexibility in shooting angles and make it easier to navigate through settings and menus. On the storage front, it seems the Z90 will offer one CF Express Type B slot and one SD card slot. This setup is pretty versatile, giving you the speed and capacity of CF Express for high-performance needs and the convenience of SD cards for everyday use. Now, there's been some buzz and mixed opinions about whether the Z90 will sport a stack sensor. For context, the stack sensors found in the Fujifilm X, H2S, and the OM System OM1, even with its smaller Micro Four Thirds sensor, have been game changers, offering incredible performance. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R7, which the Z90 will be competing against, doesn't feature a stack sensor. So, if the Z90 does include a stack sensor, it could really set it apart in terms of speed and image quality. Nikon appears to be catering to both newcomers and longtime users with this release. The Z-mount opens up access to a new range of modern, high-performance lenses, while the FTZ adapter ensures compatibility with Nikon's extensive library of f-mount glass. This thoughtful approach could offer a seamless transition for those who are still invested in Nikon's DSLR ecosystem. As we get closer to the rumored announcement window of September 2024, excitement for the Nikon Z90 is reaching a fever pitch. If Nikon can deliver on its promises, this camera has the potential to redefine what we expect from APS-C mirrorless systems. But with fierce competition from Canon, Sony, and Fujifilm, Nikon will need to bring its A-game to truly stand out in this crowded market. The Nikon Z90 isn't just another camera release. It's a bold statement from Nikon about their vision for the future of photography. As we eagerly await official confirmation, one thing is certain. This could be one of the most thrilling chapters in Nikon's storied history. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for more updates as we learn more about this exciting development.